Hi everyone, PEMDAS is saying that 8 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 8 divided by 5? I don't know. So I'm going to write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 8 over 5. And let's bring that 2 plus down, but let's bring that 2 as a fraction to make the math fun and easy. 2 over 1 equals 2, does not change to 2, plus 8 over 5. Notice that yes, we're adding two fractions, but the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So we'll be drawing two wings, two antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing. 2 times 5, we're not adding. 2 times 5, and here's the antenna. 2 times 5 is 10, and here's the other wing, and here's the other antenna. 1 times 8 is 8, and then the body, 1 times 5 is 5. And so our denominator is 5, and then we add 10 plus 8 equals 18, and this cannot be broken down further, 18 over 5. So now I'm going to erase this, write down the 7 over 3 down. I am turning that 7 divided by 3 to a fraction, 7 over 3, to make the math fun and easy. And then we're multiplying this 18 over 5, and we're going to multiply across. So what is 7 times 18? We're going to do some multiplication here. So 18 times 7. So what is 8 times 7? 56. Good job. And 7 times 1 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 126 as our numerator. 126 over 3 times 5 is 15. And this cannot be broken down further. Don't leave yet, because we need to, actually wait, we can break this down. We can break this down by 3. So let's figure that out. So what is, oh, that's easy. 15 divided by 3 is, what is it? 5, right? 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to write that here. So I have my 5. That's the new denominator. Now let's figure out this 126 divided by 3. And let me show you this trick. So I have 126 divided by 3. So there's 100, right? And we can break this down to 60. So 60 plus 60 equals 120, right? And then we have 6 left. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we're going to add this 2 to what we get here. So 60 divided by 3 is 20, plus 60 divided by 3 is 20. So that gives us 40. And then we add the 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. So our numerator is 42. And now let's use long division to help us find the mixed number answer and the decimal answer using long division. So the answer as an improper fraction is 5. So it's 42 over 5. And we're to use the long division and then write the 42 inside the long division symbol. That is called the dividend. And then the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. That is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 42? Well, I know that 5 times 9 is 45. So that goes over 42. So it must be 5 times 8, which is 40. So that's the closest we'll get to 42. So I'm going to write 8, and then we're going to multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. And then 42 minus 40 is 2. So our mixed number answer is 8. The remainder, 2, goes above the fraction bar, and the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And so this is our mixed number answer. our improper fraction answer, and now let's get our decimal answer. So we'll write it here. So how many times can 5 fit into 2? You cannot. So the 2 needs to borrow a 0. So I add a decimal after the 42, and then after the 8, write a 0 here, bring down the 0, give it to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. How many times can 5 fit into 20? How many? 4 times. And 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 8.4. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.